Welcome to the Time Matters On-Demand lesson on billing with the Juris link. If your firm uses Time Matters for practice management and Juris to administer finances, you can automate the flow of information to ensure accurate data synchronization between the two applications and eliminate the need to manually create client and matter records in both. Time Matters must first be configured to communicate with Juris. Refer to the help documentation or view the Configuring the Time Matters to Juris link training video for more details. Once the configuration is complete, a Juris tab displays on the contact and matter forms. When you add a contact, be sure to assign a client number that matches the existing client numbering scheme for Juris. Note that the firm field in Time Matters is usually mapped to Juris as the nickname field, unless another field was selected during the link configuration. If you leave the firm field blank, the name of the client template used to populate required fields displays as the client nickname in Juris. Be sure to type a name in the field for both individual clients and organizations, so that the correct nickname displays for billing. You can simply copy and paste the client name in the firm field. To link the record with Juris, click the Juris tab and enter the client code. You can click the Lookup button to locate an existing Juris client or identify the next available code. Let's use the Time Matters client number as the client code 2. Your Juris database has its own contact numbering sequence. Make sure that you enter a code that complies with that configuration. When you save the change, a prompt asks if you want to add the client to your Juris database. Click Yes, and the client record is copied to Juris. Matter linking works the same way. Access the Juris tab and type a matter code or use the Lookup button to search for the next available matter number by Juris client. For this client, no matters have been added to Juris. So let's code this matter as the first one for the client. Remember, your Juris database has its own matter numbering sequence. Make sure to enter a code that complies with that configuration. When you save the matter, a prompt asks if you want to add the matter to Juris. Let's click Yes, and the matter information has been transferred to Juris. As you bill for time spent working on the matter, the options configured during the link setup are automatically applied to the billing record in Section 2. Review the billing details in Section 3 and complete any additional information required. After entering the information, you are ready to send the billing record to Juris. Click the Send to Billing icon. You will see a message while the billing record is being sent, and a confirmation message shows that the billing record was transferred to Juris Suite. This time entry has been saved to Juris Suite in draft status so that compliance rules can be applied. Once the processing is complete in Juris Suite, the record must be submitted to Juris Core for billing. On the Matter form, you can access the Billing tab to view the Time Matters billing records. You can pull an accounting report by either clicking the Juris icon on the Billing tab or by accessing the Juris tab and selecting the Juris Reports button. Time Matters pulls the current billing and payment history from Juris. Notice the Client Matter Inquiry Report is displayed in Summary, and you can view accounts receivable and ledger history details. You can also access this Juris report from the Juris tab on the Contact form. Now you are familiar with how to link matter and contact records between Time Matters and Juris, prepare and send billing records to Juris for processing, and access the Juris report to view billing and payment history.